Okay, I'm making this kind of nail. I don't know what it's called. You will need a base coat, top coat, a sparkling nail polish, a silver nail polish, thin brush if you have, a pink, and a green. Okay, first you start with the base coat, but I already did it, so you take your pink, open it, and you kind of make it into a diagonal. I'll show you in a second. Like that. Then you let it dry, and get a green, and just make random dots, big, small, like this. Then take your silver, sparkly silver, and get a thin brush. You do it inside of that diagonal. Like this. And you take your sparkly one and you polish it in the in that triangle, so it will look like this. Here are all of them, and you top it off with your top coat. And you're done. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.